Hey guys, welcome back. In this Blender video, we'll be modeling a mechanical pipe clamp mount, complete step by step using simple and clean modeling technique. This is a great part to practice modeling and improve your skills and build nice clean topology. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's add a cylinder. Then go into edit mode, duplicate the cylinder and move it forward. Now make this duplicated cylinder slightly smaller, about 0.8, 5, then select the other cylinder, rotate it 90 degrees, then scale it sideways and make it slightly bigger. Now select this front face and then insert inwards. Insert it about 0.3 units. Then delete that face. Now select the front face of this cylinder, insert inwards again, the same value, 0.3 units, and then delete that face. Now we'll add a mirror modifier, but before that we need a cut in the middle of both cylinders. Go into top view, switch to wireframe mode, select this side area and delete it. Then go into front view, select this bottom area and delete it. Now add a mirror modifier. Select the correct axis to mirror and turn on clipping. Now we need to place this cylinder nicely. Select this edge and press Ctrl L to select the whole cylinder. Then move it forward and place it at this point to snap it correctly. First, select this edge and make it active. You'll see it highlighted. Go to the snapping settings here, set snapping to vertex, and enable active element. Now move the cylinder forward and snap it to this vertex. Select the top faces of this cylinder, go into front view, move it down, and snap it to this line vertex. Now select these faces on this cylinder and delete them. Select these faces on the other cylinder, somewhere over here, and delete them as well. Now we'll join these parts. Before that, we need to add loop cuts here, the same number of vertices as this section. You can see there are 5 vertices at the bottom, so add 5 loop cuts. Now select these edges and press F, select the next edge, keep pressing F till here, then select this edge and dissolve it. Go into side view, use the knife tool, and add a cut here along the Z-axis. Select these vertices here. Press SX0 to flatten this part. Make this closest again in snapping options. Move it and snap it to this vertex so it lines up properly. Add 2 loop cuts here. Now we'll fill this part, so first check how many cuts we need. Select this edge here and we need 6 cuts. So add 6 loop cuts. Select these edges and fill this part. Select the full edge and fill. Use the knife tool and add a cut here. Then add a loop cut here. Here you can see there are 2 edges. They stop in the middle and don't flow properly. If we add cuts in the middle, they'll be too close to each other and there won't be enough spacing. So instead, use the knife tool and do something like this. Now this is fine. Slide these vertices and space them nicely. Here we have a 5-sided n-gon. Use the knife tool to add a cut here. Slide this vertex, select this full edge and use loop tools, space. Then select these edges and again use loop tools, space. Now this is spaced nicely. Now select this edge, extrude inwards. It will clip in the middle because of the mirror modifier. Add a few loop cuts here. Then select this edge, extrude it as well, and add a few loop cuts. Now you can see this part is not completely flat. So to fix that, first select this face, go over here, and click the plus icon. This adds a transform orientation based on the face direction. With that face selected, the transformations will now follow how this face is facing. Now select the part you want to flatten. Notice that when we scale on the Z-axis, it scales along the face direction. So press SZ0, and this will flatten it perfectly. Now this part is flat. Now we'll extrude this back part out. Select these faces here and extrude them out. Switch back to global orientation. Extrude along the Y-axis. Then press SY0 to flatten this. Add loop cuts here. Now select these faces over here, press Alt-E, extrude along manifold, and snap it at the back. Then delete all these faces. Now this is okay. Select everything, press M and merge by distance to clean up any overlapping vertices. Add a cut here and join these vertices. Select this part, press SX0 to flatten it, move it, and snap it to this vertex. Now this part is flat. Select this full intersection and move it slightly inwards. Now we'll add the hole over here. First select these faces here, then scale this part to make space for the circle to fit nicely. Insert inwards, then use Loop Tool's Circle to make this circular. Here choose Fit Inside so it fits inside the area, scale it, and move it, and place the circle nicely. Then delete the faces. Now to add the circle on the other side, first select these faces, and then delete those. Then select this front part, duplicate it, and move it to the back and snap it in place. Make sure Auto Merge is enabled at the top. Then merge these vertices like this. Now select both these edges, go over here, and choose Bridge Edge Loops. Now we'll bevel all the sharp edges, but before that, select the full mesh, press Shift-N, and flip the normals if they're not in the correct direction, and also apply Scale. Now select this edge, go over here, and choose Sharp Edges. You'll select all the sharp edges. Manually select any edges if some are not selected. Once everything is good, bevel the edges. In the bevel options here, set the shape to complete 1. And over here, choose arc. So the bevel takes this shape, as you can see. Then select both the vertices over here and join them. Join all the arc parts wherever they exist. Here it's not beveled properly, so we'll fix this part. Do something like this, dissolve all the unnecessary edges, and merge the vertices like this. Now this looks clean and it will stay good. Add a subdivision modifier, and also shade smooth the object. Turn on cavity over here. Now this part looks really good and the overall mesh looks clean as well. Here these edges are too close and not spaced nicely. So we'll select these edges, slide them, snap them to the middle, and merge them. Now select this edge, press G twice to slide it, then press E to make the edge flow in an even direction. Press F to flip it. If it's not in the correct direction, then slide the edge. Now this is nicely spaced. Do the same thing on the other side. Now this part looks really good. Alright then, that's it for this one. We're done modeling this shape and it turned out really good. Nice and clean overall. In the next video, we'll be modeling this shape, so stay tuned. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.